Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Kue Klepon? Do you know this snack guys? By the way, Klepon is a traditional snack with a round shape and small size. The color is generally green with a sprinkling of savory grated coconut and brown sugar in it to improve the taste. And for your information, Klepon originates from Indonesia but is well known in Southeast Asia and is commonly found in Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, and Singapore. In other parts of Indonesia, such as in Sulawesi, Sumatra, it is known as onde-onde, and in neighboring Malaysia, it is known as fruit of Malacca. However, in Java, onde-onde refers to Chinese rice cake balls coated with sesame seeds and stuffed with sweet green bean paste. Although it is popular throughout Southeast Asia, Klepon probably originated in Java. Klepon not only enriches Indonesian culinary varieties but also becomes one of Indonesia's cultural heritages. It is a symbol of the collective identity of a region or group as written by Bessier in the book Local Development Heritage, Traditional Food and Cuisine as Tourist Attraction in Rural Areas in 1998. And judging from its history, apparently Klepon has a long history in the Indonesian culinary world. And in a book written by Nimpuno entitled Nostalgia Kue Tenong in 2016, saying that the tough texture in the Klepon will be followed by a sweet taste as the Klepon chewed, interpret a deep meaning. In this book, he writes, the chewy texture of Klepon with sugar filling means that sometimes something tough will taste sweet in the future according to the effort made. And for your information, Klepon cake was introduced by Indonesian immigrants to the Dutch community since the 1950s. That's why, naturally, we will find this cake in several Chinese, Dutch, and Indonesian restaurants mentioned in the book In This Leven in the Netherlands in 2006, written by J. M. Molenhoff. Moreover, a food historian also explains that klepon is an ancestral food that has old traces in Indonesian culinary traditions. The oldest written evidence containing klepon is there in the manuscript or heirloom of the Surakarta police, namely Serat Centini, which was written in the early of 19th century. Inside the Serat Centini, the word klepon is sometimes referred to as part of the dishes used to serve banquets, and in addition, it is also used as a ritual event such as salvation or celebration parties. He suspected that long before the 19th century, klepon had become a sweet snack produced and consumed by ancient Javanese people. However, although it is mentioned in the manuscript or heirloom of the Surakarta Palace, Klepon is not identical from Surakarta. But it is often a snack that must be served during important events such as celebrations, feasts, and is also used to be a part of ritual snacks. Hopefully, this recipe and information are helpful and useful to you.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.